Insomniac here. Did you know you could customize the icons on your computer or laptop? Because I didn't, and when I found out that I could, I thought that was really cool and decided to learn how to make them myself. And I thought I would do a tutorial in case you want to customize your background as well, if you have a Windows. I don't have a Mac, but if somebody wanted to see a tutorial for that, I could find screenshots or maybe do a drawing video of it. So this tutorial is going to be Windows specific, but if you would like to see one for Mac, let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get into it. So, what you'll want to do after you download your pictures of the file is go down to your start, go to settings, go to personalization, click browse, and choose the picture that you're looking for. And that's how you put the background up. And then to change the icon on the folder, you right click on the folder, go to properties, go to customize, click change icon, click browse, find the icon you're looking for. I'm looking around. I don't know which one I want to try. Okay, once you found the one you're looking for, select it, click OK, and click apply. And there you go. Then you have your new icon, and you can move it around and do this with folders and applications. You can change the size of it if you like bigger icons. It takes up more space on your computer though. You can make them really little, but then you can't see. I like to keep mine medium, right in the middle. And there you go. Now you have an opportunity to customize your background on your computer. If you're interested in customizing your background yourself or your icons, I have icon sets on my Ko-fi and Etsy, whichever one you prefer, if you'd like to try them out. And if you really want to just do a tester, I have 2 free sets on my Ko-fi, both linked in the description. If you decide to try one of the free packs, please let me know how it fits on your computer screen and what your screen size is if you know it in the comments. This would be very helpful for me in terms of resizing if needed in the future. And if you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Happy customizing!